Wow, that is out of focus.
Oh, you have to hold the silver button halfway down to focus in, and then it'll focus and you can let go.
Oh, okay.
Are you recording?
Yep.
This is Abby soaking her foot.
That one right there.
She is such a good girl about it. Are you just sitting here like a spa treatment on your footsie? Oh! Say hi!
Say hi, Abby. Say hi.
Wave. Wave hi. Yeah, right, Mom. I got a spoon. You're such a good kid. Ah, you got my camera. Here, let's see those teeth while we're right here. Oh, we can't zoom in that far. Oh, he dropped a spoon. You're so silly. You got your foot in the water? I see you.
Maybe you should have told me we was going first.